This is a list of 5 driving habits that are probably almost certainly ruining your engine. Today, I'll break down these hidden mistakes and show you how to avoid them. Many drivers think they're caring for their cars, but the real damage often happens behind the wheel, without you even realizing it. These small, everyday habits can lead to expensive repairs and shorten your engine's life. Let's pull back the curtain on the most common engine-killing mistakes and how to fix them. By the end, you'll be a smarter, more engine-conscious driver. First up, revving your engine when it's cold. When your car sits overnight, oil drains to the bottom of the engine. On startup, it takes about 30 seconds for oil to circulate and protect moving parts. If you rev the engine before that, you're grinding metal against metal, causing microscopic damage every time. Over time, this leads to serious wear, poor performance, and even engine failure. The fix? Start your car, wait about 30 seconds for the idle to settle, then drive gently for the first few minutes. No need to let it idle for ages. Just avoid hard acceleration until it's warmed up. Modern engines are designed to warm up while driving, but only if you take it easy. Patience here saves you thousands in repairs. Treat your engine gently when it's cold, and it'll last much longer. Manual drivers, this one's for you, riding the clutch. Resting your foot on the clutch pedal, even lightly, causes the clutch disc to slip and overheat. This wears out the clutch and the throw-out bearing, leading to expensive repairs. The right way? Use the clutch only when shifting. At stoplights, shift to neutral and take your foot off the pedal completely. Your clutch pedal is not a footrest. Think of it as an on-off switch. This simple habit prevents premature clutch failure. It might feel awkward at first, but it quickly becomes second nature. Save yourself a huge repair bill by keeping your foot off the clutch. Your transmission will thank you. Skipping or delaying oil changes is a silent engine killer. Oil lubricates, cools, and cleans your engine, but it breaks down and fills with contaminants over time. Old oil turns to sludge, clogging vital passages and starving your engine of protection. This leads to overheating and wear and even catastrophic engine failure. The solution is simple: change your oil on time, following your owner's manual, not just the quick lube sticker. For most cars, that's every 7,500 to 10,000 miles or once a year. Fresh oil is the cheapest insurance for your engine's health. Don't gamble with overdue oil changes. Spend a little now to avoid a massive repair bill later. It's the easiest way to keep your engine running strong. Hard acceleration and hard braking might feel fun, but they're brutal on your engine and drivetrain. Flooring the gas and slamming the brakes puts extreme stress on internal parts, mounts, and more. Occasional spirited driving is fine, but making it a habit wears everything out fast. Aggressive driving also burns more fuel and wears out your brakes and tires. The fix? Drive smoothly and anticipate traffic. Accelerate gently, coast to stops, and avoid last-second braking. This isn't about driving slow. It's about being deliberate and smooth. Your car will last longer, feel better, and cost less to maintain. Plus, you'll save money on gas and repairs. Smooth driving is the secret to a happy engine. Running your car on a near-empty tank is riskier than you think. Low fuel means your pump sucks up sediment from the bottom of the tank, clogging filters and starving your engine. Worse, the fuel pump relies on gasoline for cooling. Run low, and it can overheat and fail. Replacing a fuel pump is expensive and often requires dropping the tank. The fix? Never let your tank drop below a quarter full. Treat the last quarter as your emergency reserve. This keeps your fuel system clean and your pump cool. It's a tiny habit that prevents big repair bills. Fill up before you hit empty and your engine will thank you. Protect your fuel system with this simple change. There you have it. 5 habits that quietly destroy your engine. The good news? They're all easy to fix. Be patient on cold starts, keep your foot off the clutch, change your oil on time, drive smoothly, and don't run on empty. Small changes make a huge difference in your car's lifespan and reliability. Take care of your engine and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching. Drive smart and see you next time.